Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to one of the boldest entries in the performance SUV space, the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Known for its raw power and aggressive style, the Hellcat badge returns with even more fire for 2026. Dodge has refined this monster to deliver next-level performance while keeping its muscle car DNA intact. Let's take a closer look at what makes the latest Durango SRT Hellcat such a standout. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat features a refreshed, aggressive front fascia with a larger grille and sculpted hood vents to boost airflow and attitude. LED lighting is sleeker, while new wheel options and Hellcat-specific badging bring a fresh edge. It's a bold, muscular design that looks just as mean parked as it does on the move. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood roars a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, pushing out 710 horsepower. Power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission and performance-tuned all-wheel drive system. A recalibrated suspension and upgraded brakes ensure it handles the power with confidence, making this SUV track-worthy and street-ready. Safety and technology. Inside, the 2026 Durango offers a 12-inch touchscreen with Uconnect 5, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus performance pages for real-time data. Advanced safety features include lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. This brutal power paired with smart tech. Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is the ultimate blend of muscle and utility, offering room for the family and the heart of a race car. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more exciting first looks and reviews.